Can get ding ding ding.
Hi everyone. So so today we're going to have a class. A drawing class. And in behind me, beside me, there is a two beautiful lady
With the
with so
little cat.
pretty faces, and
Little
then
cat.
they're going to accompany me to draw some save the earth poster. It's about related with
Meow.
how we save the earth by making a poster so that we can encourage other people outside there to be like
Oh,
what, yeah,
the one.
to do the same thing like us. Okay, so while we're waiting, we're going to start the class on 2 o'clock sharp, and then
It's still 1 o'clock.
yeah, there will be a lot of people will join. And
1:51.
actually, this regular class, that we have 2 times in a week, like Wednesday and Friday, 2 p.m. So that if you will guys want to join, you can just text me. This is my number. Okay, you can text me to join the class later on. So basically, I'm doing the class using Zoom, but I also use YouTube live chatting. Live streaming to so that the to inform the parents so that they can monitor their child progress in the class later on. All right then. So we are preparing our lesson. I'm going to use my jacket. Yay, this one is too cold here.
Yes, and I use pajamas. So cold.
And then you use what, Abia?
For
What?
the clothes.
Clothes
Nggak
also?
terlalu dingin.
Tidak terlalu dingin. Okay, I'm going to use this one then. And then I'm going to. Okay, you can talk first. You can talk first, guys. Come on, I'm going to prepare my. Okay.
Say hi to little cat. Hello. Hi. 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 Oh, dia bolos ya kan? Lagi nge-stain. Oh, dia bolos tuh. This is the little cat. This is the chin. Hi, little cat. The mouth is so small. Small. Rambutnya polos sama hijau. Small. Small. Small.
All right then. I'm ready, and then beside me is also ready.
It's like a color. It's like a necklace. It's like a necklace. I'm using a necklace.
Wait, yeah. So.
You, yeah.
So guys, if you have any question, you can just write down on the chat list, and then maybe we can consider what you suggested, and then we will, yeah. All right. Wait, I'm going to. I'm going to. You know that people actually cannot doing things in the same time. So yeah, wait, first, wait. Go, 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 go. We are now live, and I'm going to share this link to one of Abia's mother. And, wait. So 5 more minutes. our drawing class will be start, and then yeah, you have to prepare your paper first. One paper, one marker.
Where's your
If you hold your marker, oh, this for you, Adia,
even
and then this is the marker. I don't know.
my
I'm
marker.
going to use this one.
Marker.
Marker,
Marker.
Where's my marker?
Apa artinya marker?
marker,
And Mandarin marker is marker.
marker P.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So we learned some new language from the Fanka then. So in Mandarin, marker is
Marker.
marker P. How about if I'm hungry, saya lapar? How to say it in Mandarin?
Wait.
Tetot.
Eh.
Okay.
Wo.
Wo, I need.
That's I love you.
Yes. All right then.
Okay, maybe I forgot. So don't think you wrote. Later I'll see my. Maybe this. My tablet. No tablet. Not. Not no tablet. Oh,
So we have only 3 more minutes so that we can start our lesson for today. Yes, basically today we are going to. Yes. You're so cold. Are you sure? No lah. If you're cold, you can sit down on this part. And by the way, this one is I provide this table for you. Holy. Here, sit down here, please. Party.
With little cat.
With
Tomcat.
cat.
Itu tongkat. No, tongkat. Kalau kasih, ini kan, itu bukan market kamu. Dari sini. I'm going to draw with little Cathy. Cathy. I made this by myself. I found it by myself. Is my little catty good?
Okay. Yeah, the benefit when you are having what the online lesson is, you can wear any wardrobe you want, like shirt you want, and then you don't have to use your long pant, or even you use your pajama. Mr. R is only using a short like this. That's just the beautiful of how you teaching your students online. Okay, so we also
Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Even school, we need to use school uniform.
Yeah.
Always. Can I change clothes? But sometimes after swimming, we have to change clothes. Not the uniform anymore.
All right then. Whoa, it's already 2 o'clock, and then we're going to start. Yeah. So, all right then. Hi everyone, welcome back to Children's Art Club with the very smart and pretty girls beside me. This one is Abia, this one is Devanka, and this is the handsome one, Mr. R, the handsome and smart.
Of
All right then.
course, teacher is smart.
Yeah, actually, these 3 weeks, I mean, we already learned
So cool.
about this thing since last 2 weeks, and then now we are in the 3 weeks. It means that we are finalizing our lesson. Okay, our lesson is related with how we take care of our earth, and then I actually encourage all the students, or I mean all the kids here to save the
Yay.
the earth by making a poster. Yeah, and then now we already connected with a lot of awesome students here. We have Ares and Theo. We have Glenn. Hi, good morning. I mean, good afternoon, everyone. And we have also Nico. Oh, Nico, you know what? Nico nowadays is becoming more better in English and also more better in presenting his work. Good job, Nico. I give you the thumbs up and keep up the good work. We have also Tori and Rachel. As usual, you both of you were always together. And we also have Aleta. Hi, Aleta. How are you today? Good. Okay, don't be shy, Aleta. See that these two kids are always smiling and they do not really feel shy. And we have also Rachel, which is always smiling, and Tori also will always like yeah, thing like that. And we have Glenn, who's always like be serious like that. We also have Ares and Theo. Wow, nice background, Ares and Theo. You put the virtual background at the back. Wow, that's good. You are now, yes, in the middle of the bridge. Be careful. Don't go too far. Yeah, you will be goes to the sea later on. Yeah.
You flow to the sea.
Right, guys. Today we going still learning about how we save the earth by making a poster. Yeah. After this lesson, after this session, we're going to send your drawing to the committee, and I hope that one of we're going to send 3 of your work by taking photos and then send it to the committee, and I hope that one of them can be the winner. And if it is not win, it's okay, it's only for fun. Okay,
Can
no
we
need
submit
to think about the result. At least we just send it, no need to think about the result.
Can we submit
Cannot, you only can submit 3 painting, I mean 3 picture of your painting. And don't throw your painting, because if they announce you as a winner, they will check it. Do you still keep your painting or not? Something like that. Yeah. So don't throw all the 3 painting that you make for last 2 weeks and today. Right. We're going to start as usual. Today we're going to make a poster. Yeah. The poster is a little bit different. The poster we will going to draw people, and then the earth at the back, and then with the word, and then with decoration at the left and the right side, and to make it more beautiful. I'm going to share you some idea. All right, this is some of the idea that you can get it.
Yeah.
All right, this is the no. This is the poster. Yeah. Usually, people or students make a poster like this, right? They create a square. I mean, a circle, a shape with the nice hands like that, and then with a tree and some of the word in the middle of the uh earth. I mean, in the middle of the earth shapes, the circle. So I want you to. I mean, I will show you how to do it. But for Ares and Theo, you have to make it different ya. Ares sama Theo jangan tiru Mr. Al, bener-bener tiru jangan. Kamu harus do it improvisasi.
Better?
Ya, jangan ikutin Mr. Al. Mr. Al kasih tahu sedikit, tapi Ares harus mengembangkan idenya dengan idenya Ares and Theo. Nico juga, Tori juga. Mr. Al cuma kasih basicnya buat Devanka, buat Abia, buat yang lower level, ya, sama Elbrus sama Rachel.
But can I make it better?
Ya, tapi Aleta, Tori, Ares dan Theo dan Nico, kalian harus bikin, dan Glenn juga harus improvisasi, nggak boleh sama Mr. Al. Oke, misalnya cuma kasih contoh, kalian harus mengembangkan idenya jadi lebih keren. Oke, ini adalah contoh-contoh poster yang ada di internet. Kita ambil still the idea, tapi jangan di copycat, jangan di copy paste. Oke, wait. And then ini ada lagi video tentang how that our planet in the danger situation right nowadays. Okay, enjoy watching the video first. Okay. Halo Pak. Misalnya Pak. Iya. Ya udah nggak apa-apa. Iya iya nggak apa-apa. Nggak apa-apa nggak apa-apa. Ya udah.
Wow.
Iya iya iya. Makasih Pak.
Colorful.
Nowadays our earth becoming so polluted. Yeah. So many pollution. And I'm so sad actually to see people are keep on throwing the trash on the road, not in the proper trash bin. See that even the bear now looking for a place for them. Koalas now is becoming, yeah, they are very
Oh
sad.
yeah, that one is
The sea becoming so many trash.
Oh my god.
See, this is the condition that humans are very distracted. If we don't react, our earth becoming destroyed in the short moment. See, this is global warming. This is a tsunami. This is the forest get burned. Like, oh my god. Like it. Yes, we have to save the planet. The earth needs our help.
Mine. No one
To save the earth. Okay then, now we are in a discussion moment first before we draw. Hai, suara siapa itu?
Oh, yeah, like a baby.
Okay, I'm going to ask Glenn first. Glenn, how we can save our earth?
By using our plastic bag from home.
Okay, good. So we have to bring our own paper bag or our own cloth bag to go to the supermarket, right, Glenn? How about you, Nico? Nico, gimana caranya? How to save our earth?
We have to recycle the plastic.
Yeah, good job. We have to recycle things. Yeah, like this one. I found this one. I buy something from the KFC, and I'm using this bucket for put the put the water, and then we're going to use it for our painting later on. How about Aleta? How to save our earth, Aleta? What can we do?
Cleaning the ocean.
By cleaning the ocean, yeah, that is also a good idea of how we can. Yeah, from the trash. Don't litter our ocean. Yeah, don't put. Don't throw our trash to the trash. If you have a litter, if you have any trash, you can just put it in your pocket first, and then while you are omit some trash bin, you can put it there. How about you, Tori, Rachel?
I have an idea.
Wait. Tori and Rachel, how we can save our Earth? Rachel first. Rachel, gimana caranya supaya kita bisa menyelamatkan bumi kita?
Cleaning up
Cleaning up what? Cleaning up what?
the mess.
Cleaning up the mess that you create. What?
Cleaning up the
Cleaning up
mess.
the mess. Yeah, I agree with you. How about you, Tori? How we can save our Earth? By what?
Do not litter.
Sorry?
Do not litter.
Do not litter. Yeah, that is the good answer. Thank you, Tori. How about you, Ares and Fio? How we can save our Earth? Now our Earth becoming so dying. So many people don't care, and they just throw everything on the road, on the ocean. Then, how we can save our Earth? How we can, yeah, you get what I'm saying.
Planting the tree.
Planting the tree. Good job. We have to plant more tree. Yeah. How about you, Fio? Do you have any other opinion? What? Just a simple things that you can do in your house, maybe. Fio, we are waiting, Fio. What can we do to protect our world? Our Earth. What? Okay. How about from Ruth first? Ruth, how we can save our Earth? Just mention a simple things that you can do to save our Earth. How is it, Ruth? And how about you, Depanka? How to save our Earth?
So, like, if there is a plastic bottle, you can use it for making something like, for example, a piggy bank or something else that is useful.
Okay, Depanka said that we can reuse the things
Yeah.
that we already use, and we can make it as a new things to be useful for our life later.
Like
How about you,
these.
Avia? Gimana caranya kita protect our Earth? Cara yang simple yang bisa Avia lakuin. Apa? Nggak buang sampah sembarangan? Yeah, maybe Avia agree with that. How about you, Ruth? Okay, how about you, Albrus? Ruth, how we can save our Earth? Oh, maybe you're still thinking about it. Okay then. Just now, actually, we already play our video about how our Earth is in dangers because so many people don't care, so many people littering, so many people just cut the trees without thinking about how to solve the problem later on. And then then we are now in the session that we are discussing how to save our Earth. All right then. So now I want you to prepare your paper. If you're already done with your paper, please thumbs up. Thumbs up if you're ready with your paper. Okay, good. Alpros ready, I think. And then how about your marker? You ready with your marker? And one more, I want you to to get something circle. Can I get that one, please? Abia, take it.
Cepetan.
Oh yeah, Abia, take that one. Plastic. Can you help to get the plastic, please? All right, guys. I want you to find some circle things around you.
A circle.
Circle things like this. Can you get the circle things, please, around you? Yeah, this will be yours.
Okay.
Cari benda yang bulat seperti ini ya. Kita akan membuat apa namanya earth-nya di belakang dengan menggunakan ya. Good job Tori, good job Rachel, good job Aleta, good job Ares and Elbrus and Glenn. Please find some circle things to make the earth round look so perfect. All right, ready now? Okay, I want you to draw people first on this part. Yeah, I want you to draw people in the middle of the paper.
Oh, portrait, yeah.
As usual, these people are using. Yeah, okay, Glenn, correct. You can use that things.
Can you hear Ruth's voice?
Can I what?
Ikutin aja.
Ruth, please do not activate the virtual background. I cannot see you then. It looks so white.
Kakak soalnya nggak bisa gambar yang bagus kalau kamu.
Don't activate the virtual background. Okay, good job.
Apa?
You have any questions so far,
Abi yang
Ruth?
mau lihat dari Dede nggak apa-apa kan?
Nggak apa-apa.
Suaranya kedengeran ya.
Suaranya kedengeran kok. I can hear you. Don't worry. Yeah. Alright guys, I want you to draw the people just a little bit at the bottom side, yeah, not too high. Because we're going to draw the earth at the top of the yeah.
I'm wrong.
Yeah, can just use that.
Flip.
Yeah, if you make a wrong, I mean, yeah, you can modify it by use the back side of your paper. Yeah, I'm going to use this.
Kamu udah benar. Kamu udah benar, tinggal gambar di sini.
Okay, this will be the earth and this will be the human, the people. Yeah, you can make it 2 or 3. Ares and Vio, ingat, you cannot, please do not copy paste me. You have to create your own. Ares sama Vio nggak boleh nyontek. Kalian bikin versi kalian sendiri. Okay. Today we're going to make a poster of. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is the example, Glenn. But you can modify based on your idea. Okay, Ares and Vio, please, Aleta juga, Ruth juga, Tori, kalau bisa kalian bikin versi kalian sendiri. You can make it using your own version of Save the Earth poster, ya. Why you always asking? You can solve the problem. It's okay. Okay, now draw the neck as usual, and then I'm going to make these kids happy. They're so happy. And then I'm going to remember that you already know how to draw people, right? So if you already know, please do not follow Mr. Al. You can make your own way how to draw it. Mr. Al tried to draw people using a bag, and he's like feeling happy, like, oh my goodness, I'm happy because the earth now are safe, like that. Okay, Ruth, you can start to draw the people by drawing the U first. Okay, guys, if you have any question, just ask me, yeah? I'm going to do it in the beginning again, from the beginning again. The first one is you draw the shape of a U, like this, Ruth. and put the ears on the left and the right side, and then put the cracking. You cannot remember? Okay, you can follow me now. Go. Draw the U-lap. Okay, draw the ear on the left and the right side. Yeah, Glenn, you can do. You can make your own drawing. Good job. Yeah, Glenn, if you can make it by yourself, it's okay. Ares and Vio also, do not follow me. You can make your own. Yeah.
I can understand.
Come on, Ruth. I'm waiting for you. Come on. Draw the eyes with a nice eyebrow. And then this person are smiling. Okay, this person using a hat. Yeah.
It's okay. You can do according to your. That's okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Guys, it's okay if you can make it using your own version, yeah? You don't need to follow me. You don't need to follow me. Your idea is more better than Mr. Al. If Mr. Al draw people with hat, you can draw your own things. Okay, I'm going to draw the neck here. Come on, Ruth, draw the neck first. And then I'm going to draw the hands. Can I borrow yours, please, for a moment? And then this girl are so happy because she can protect like that. And then Mr. I will draw the back on the right side. Like that. Like that. And then I'm going to draw the circle on this part. Where is the circle thingy, Mijiki? Okay, wait. I'm going to draw the circle on the side. Oh, I think the circle are too small. I'm going to draw it by myself. Okay, I'm drawing the big circle at the back. And then I'm going to write down bumi kita hanya satu. Bumi kita Okay, I'm writing bumi kita hanya satu in the middle of the earth. Then I'm going to draw a bird on this part. Okay, you can draw your own bird, yeah. Actually, my bird is a little bit unique because I'm using a simple way how to do it. This is how you draw the bird. First of all, draw small circle like this with the mouth like this one, and then draw triangles, and then draw the body, draw the tail, triangle like this, draw the wings, like that. And then I can draw some butterfly on this part. Oke, Ares sama Vio boleh pakai kalimat sendiri, misalnya jaga bumi kita atau selamatkan bumi kita. That's why the poster, the function of the poster is how we encourage people to do what we want to do. Yes, Glenn, that's good. Where is the word, Glenn? I mean, you have to put the word like save the earth or what? What do you want to say?
I said save the earth.
Okay, good job, Glenn. Good job. Thank you. But if it is possible, you can make it bigger so that people can see it even in the very long distance, like like that. So this is my earth.
Iya, ini kan aku bikin sendiri.
That. Now you have to just decorate the left and the right side, yeah. I decorate this one with what, yeah? Maybe I don't know. Do you have any idea, guys? Yeah.
I'm going to try to draw chicken.
Okay, like that. How is it? If you guys have any question, just ask me, yeah. Don't be shy to ask. Okay. Wow, who's screaming that? Ya, anak yang pintar itu, ya, good job, ya, besar banget, Glenn. Correct, Glenn, I like it. Save the earth. Ya, correct, Glenn, good job.
Orangnya.
Ya, Mr. Al suka anak yang banyak tanya. Anak yang banyak tanya bukan berarti dia bodoh, tapi dia pengen tahu banyak hal. Ya, makanya Mr. Al paling senang kalau ada anak yang pertanyaannya banyak banget. Mr. Al, kenapa begini ya? Mr. Al, kenapa begini? Kenapa begini? Wah, itu keren banget anak yang seperti itu. Mr. Al kasih 2 jempol. Karena dia nggak malu-malu, dia nanya aja. Karena memang dia pengen tahu gitu. Ya, Glenn, kalau Glenn punya pertanyaan, tanya aja. Mr. Al akan coba bantu sebaik mungkin. Ya, tunjukin, coba Abiat, tunjukin gambarnya ke teman-temannya. Oh ya, oke, good job. Sekarang di dekorasi di sebelah-sebelahnya di kambing mungkin ada tumbuhan, ikan.
Dia mau bikin anak chicken.
Ya, buat adik-adik jangan malu-malu ya. Please don't be shy. Even Ares dan Vio, kakak Ares dan Vio. Anak yang pintar adalah anak yang banyak tanya. That's it. Oke, anak yang nggak mau nanya-nanya bukan berarti dia nggak pintar juga, tapi mungkin dia malu. Misal Al mau kasih tahu kalian, nggak usah malu. Di kelas, dimanapun, di jalanan, kalau kalian mau tanya, tanya aja. Karena anak yang seperti itu sebetulnya dia itu pengen tahu, berarti dia sangat critical thinking. Dia pengen tahu, dia tanya aja, I don't care. I just wanna ask. Ya, jadi tanya aja sama mami, sama daddy, mami kenapa ya makanannya asin? Mami, kenapa ya kita manusia selalu misalnya harus mandi?
Iyalah biar gak bau.
Iya, biar nggak mau. Apalagi pertanyaan? Coba Bia kasih pertanyaan yang simpel, Mr. A. Contohnya, ayo.
Kenapa harus sikat gigi?
Nah, kenapa harus sikat gigi?
Nanti giginya bolong.
Nah, ya. Jadi it looks so simple, but actually it is very effective for us. Ya. Oke, tambahin di sininya. Nih, misalnya mau kasih ide, kalau emang nggak ada ide, misalnya mau kasih ide sama teman-teman semua. Ya, ini idenya.
Anak ayam. Kenapa ya?
Kita cari.
Ayam lah. Dia bikin anak ayam. Ibu ayam. Minumnya atau apa?
Ya,
Boleh gambar ini
boleh.
banget.
Boleh banget. Animal cartoon. So slow, sorry. Ya, buat adik-adik, one more time I say that anak yang pintar adalah anak yang banyak bertanya. Kalau ada teman kita yang salah bertanya, even that it looks so silly, it sounds so silly, like, what? You asking that question? Is okay. Don't laugh at him or her. Jangan ketawa kalau kita lihat teman kita bertanya. Kita harus lihat, wah, dia memang hebat. Gitu. Any questions so far, Glenn? No, oke. Okay. Ayo diwarnain yuk.
Not yet done.
Saya mau kasih apa di sini ya?
Dia juga not yet done.
I'm going to draw the beautiful sunflower on this part.
Ini belum kayak yang kamu kreatif.
Sorry, I need to find my charger first. It's low bad. Wait. Oh, this one. Okay. Ya, hari ini kita akan mewarnainya pakai cat air dan pakai spidol. Kita tidak menggunakan krayon, tapi kalau teman-teman mau pakai krayon juga boleh. Tapi kalau mau pakai krayon, berarti krayonnya harus baru pakai krayon. Jangan sampai krayonnya udah dipakai, terus tiba-tiba pakai Glenn, do you have any questions so far?
No.
We can, save the earth starting from our activity at home. Just a simple one. Sorry? Turn off your devices after you use it. Right? Turn off the light when you do not use your room. And then what else? The simple things that you can do in your house.
Stop the trash that you see.
Yeah, I agree with you then, Glenn. Ya, kita akan mewarnai sekarang.
Wait, I'm not yet done.
Not yet done. My goodness, it's been. Yeah.
I color with crayon. Wait.
Who? Glenn, you want to color it with crayon?
Yeah.
Can you use color? I mean watercolor.
But
Do
I
you-
don't have enough room because the color is too low.
Okay, you can use.
I'm just gonna use my watercolor.
Last time we already learned how to draw monkey, fox, cat, dog. Now you can re-draw it again then. Elbrus asik banget sih itu. Gambar apa Elbrus? Coba lihat. Wah, Elbrus itu masih 3 tahun loh teman-teman. 4 tahun atau 3 tahun. Tapi dia semangat menggambarnya luar biasa sekali. Thank you Elbrus. Warnain ya. Gambar burung, gambar kupu-kupu, gambar apa? Capung. Pokoknya apapun yang Elbrus bisa gambar. Dan untuk Ares dan Vio, don't forget that you have to put so many objects ya. So many objects that later your drawing will look so cool then because you have a lot of objects on your drawing. Ruth, gimana Ruth? How's your drawing, Ruth? Can you show it first? Can you show us, please? Wow, this is good. This is drawing really nice.
Oh, because I pin Mr. House.
Wow, thank you, Ruth. Keep on going with that. Lanjutkan. Good job. Now start to draw anything. I mean, where's the globe? Where's the big earth at the back?
Yes, where is the big art routine?
Well, done.
Okay, you haven't drawn yet.
Done.
I'm waiting.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay. No. Wait. There is a flower on the back bottom side. Okay.
Yeah, there. That's the flower.
No, it's still. Don't leave empty space. I want you to put all the object on the empty space. Make it full of object. Okay. Tori gimana Tori? Tori. Yeah.
My flower.
Okay, just a gentle reminder that we only have 1 minute. Yeah, can you show us this? Sorry. Oh,
Follow.
we only have 1 minute left. If the video are off, please re-log in again using the same password. And yeah. Yeah, sorry that I think we only have like another second. Oh yeah, only 7 seconds. 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, go.
Huh?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Oh, still.
Less than a minute.
Oh, shit.
I'm going to join again. Everything I want. Is in my so
Okay, I think now it's already 40 minutes and then we are still live streaming. Chandra Game. Hi! Hi, Chandra Game. Who are you? Yeah, somebody write some Chandra Game. Hi. Hi, my name is Chandra Game. And I said hi. Okay. Hi too.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, we're going to share our drawing. Can you share it with them? Jack, hi Chandra Game. This is our drawing. Oh my goodness, your drawing looks so cool.
You want to see her drawing.
Yeah,
Maybe she don't draw anything. Your drawing is so cool.
I think yeah. So here we are again in the second season of our learning. So today our theme is about how we can create a poster, the state the art poster, and this is my drawing. I already show it to all of the participants, and then yeah. Hi Nico, sudah selesai belum? Nico sudah selesai belum? Coba lihat. Wait Nico. Sebentar Nico, sebentar. Aku pin up dulu ya. Sebentar Nico. Ya, keren banget Nico, tapi masih kosong ya samping kanan kirinya ya. Ayo tambahin gambar apa yang Nico mau. Wow, Ares, keren banget. Itu siapa? Vio ya. Vio bagus banget gambarnya. Oke, yuk kita akan mewarnai. Siap. Iya, kita akan coba mewarnai sekarang mana? Ini, iya. Chat. Oke, Mr. A mau coba mewarnai sekarang. Sini aja.
Belum ada, harus dikasih apa Kak? Kambing ya.
Ya, don't forget to make don't leave any empty space ya. Gambar jangan dibiarkan kosong, gambar apa sama kanan kirinya. Ya. Mr. Al nggak akan marah kalau gambarnya kurang bagus atau apa. Ini bukan masalah bagus atau enggak. Ini hanya untuk teman-teman belajar, reflect, how is it nice or not. Wah, adanya Elbrus pinter nyanyi ya. Suaranya kedengeran dari sini, dia nyanyi-nyanyi sesuatu. Elbrus itu tinggalnya jauh di Serbia ya. Di sana itu sekarang jam 9, berarti telat berapa jam ya Elbrus? Masih pagi di sana katanya.
Di sini udah siang.
Iya, di sini jam 2,
Udah hampir sore.
di Serbia jam 9 pagi, baru pagi. Dia baru bangun tidur. Ya? Boleh. Boleh. Pakai apa aja boleh. Krayon, terus dicampur nanti backgroundnya pakai cat air juga boleh. Jadi ini pilihan, this is optional guys. Pakai apa aja boleh, selama kalian punya. Ya. Sekarang warnain belakangnya dulu. Biasanya tips dari Mr. Al, kita warnain area yang paling besar dulu, misalnya background.
Kan yang paling gampang itu.
Iya,
Luas.
yang kecil-kecil belakangan aja. Ya, apalagi di perlombaan, kalau di perlombaan harus cepat. Dia hanya dalam 2 jam harus selesai. Jadi,
Iya.
jadi yang kita prioritasin, the first priority of your drawing or your coloring is, find the big area and then try to color the big area. Okay.
Tapi 2 jam itu lama. 60
I'm using the second layer here.
120 menit. Lama kan? Bukan. Iya. 120 jam. 120. Bukan. Bukan sih, bukan. Kamu salah. Aneh.
Ya.
Aku kan lagi hitung aneh. Iya. Hey, masih harus menghitung.
Use this light blue to make the gradient effect.
Airnya kurang.
Hi Ruth, how is it? You draw your earth already? Okay, good job. Yay. So hari ini kita belajar banyak hal. Nanti misalnya mau review again ya, mau review lagi.
Airnya kurang.
Dan satu hal yang hari ini teman-teman harus ingat adalah anak yang banyak tanya adalah anak yang cerdas. Ya, jadi kalau ada teman kalian suka nanyanya banyak, jangan diketawain. Dia itu sebetulnya cerdas. Dia mau tahu banyak hal. Bang, nggak boleh ketawain teman kita yang lagi tanya di kelas. Misalnya, even the silly one like, Mister atau Miss, kenapa ya kok langit itu biru? Kenapa langit itu biru? Ada yang bisa jawab? Why that the the sky looks so blue?
Maybe it's because the reflection
Just the reflection from the sun.
That is the reflection from the sun, or what? That is reflection from the water, from the sea, or what?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
The sea.
Which one? Which one is the correct one?
The sea.
Yes, it's because reflection from the
My
sea.
sister told it.
Iya, ada lagi yang nanya, misal kenapa ya setiap pagi ada embun? Oh my god, questionnya susah banget. Kenapa setiap pagi selalu ada embun? Kenapa kalau pagi-pagi dingin, kalau siang hari panas? Why? Karena ada air. Boleh.
Karena ada matahari.
Karena ada matahari. Ya, nanti kita akan cari jawabannya minggu depan. Ya. Misal, kenapa selalu pakai warna biru belakangnya? Karena misal senang warna biru atau karena memang belakangnya ini melambangkan atau representing sky. Misal kasih biru. Ya. Nah, ada pertanyaan lagi, misal kenapa setelah warna biru muda mau pakai warna apa lagi? Misal terserah, misal aku mau pakai warna pink juga nggak apa-apa. Iya.
Iya, kan sore biasanya ada warna pink.
Iya, don't limit yourself ya. Jangan dibatasin. Pokoknya misal mau tiba-tiba mau pakai warna orange atau pink boleh aja.
Boleh.
Di art itu semua form, selama itu necessary, selama itu baik, nggak apa-apa pakai aja. Misalnya pakai warna pink gitu, boleh. Ya, tidak harus langit itu warnanya biru, enggak. Langit itu bisa aja warnanya pink
Orange.
atau bahkan kalau sore suka warna orange kan.
Tapi nggak mungkin green. Aneh.
Ini sepertinya kita akan ada satu session lagi deh. Teman-teman masih pada kerja ya. Nggak apa-apa ya kalau nanti mati, kita lanjut lagi ya. Minggu depan kita akan pakai Google Meet, jadi
Yeay, Google Meet.
ya
Apa?
biar bisa lebih.
Google Meet lebih gampang daripada Google Zoom. Google Zoom. Pakai Google. Aplikasi Google lebih baik.
So now I'm going to color the sky with purple, dark purple.
Yoo-hoo. Will you use the dark one? The light one here is supposed to be.
Ya, iya Glenn, bagus banget Glenn. Coba lihat sebentar Glenn, sekali lagi Glenn. Sebentar aku pin dulu ya. Coba aku mau lihat dari dekat. Wow, keren. Itu tinggal gambar apa namanya? Warnain apa backgroundnya ya. Save the Earth, ada apa? Ya oke, good
Yay,
job
it
Glenn.
become green.
Oke, next. Niko gimana? Sudah selesai gambarnya? Belum ya, oke. Iya. Nah, untuk warna kulit manusia,
Nextnya apa sih?
boleh pakai cream atau boleh pakai coklat ya.
Emang boleh. Tapi di mana ada kulit?
Ya, kayak gini. God bless you. Untuk skinnya manusia boleh warna lain, misalnya brown atau kuning, karena sebagai
This purple.
kan
Ya benar.
But not purple. So kamu purple.
I think we should draw it up with water paint because it's more easier to contemplate than
okay, I'm going to combine it with
yes,
marker. Oh, it's nice orange. Can I get the orange one, Adia? Thank you, Adia. I'm going to make this color looks more.
When I draw with the same direction. Go up and down.
Oh yeah, on next Thursday we're going to have a storytelling.
Yay.
There's
Yeah.
somebody will give us a storytelling. They will read us some story with the doll later on. It will be so fun.
We have the dog doll.
Yeah, and the fun thing is everything is free, no charge at all.
Yes.
To color the bird with yellow. Ya, boleh. Boleh.
You need to write down save our Earth first, because this is the Earth theme.
Yeah, we are trying to make a poster.
About the Earth.
We are trying to make the
Yes, it's
poster.
good too. We love the Earth. We love you, Earth.
Yeah, can be. We love you, Earth is a good idea. We have a pinky stylish color.
She loves turtle.
Wait, look at Mr. Al's picture.
Okay, I'm going to color.
Yeah, Mr. Al is the picture kok. Wow,
She loves
very
green.
cool, Kakak Glenn.
Yeah, very cool, Glenn. Can you make it more solid, please, Glenn? Make it more tidy. Yeah, make it more solid. The color like blue, make it more blue, bluish, and if you put some purple, can you make it more purplish? Color it properly. Just slow down. We will have one more session. Yeah, today we're going to have 3 hours of drawing class. My goodness, so long. 3 hours. 40 times 3. How many?
40 times 3.
40 times 3. How many?
4 plus 4 equals 18. And then
100 and what? How many minutes that you have? 100 or what? How many minutes? 100? 1000? No. Ya. Ya, sepatu bagus.
No, write down the
Wow, Elbrus keren banget. Ya ampun, keren banget. Iya, kakak coba suruh Elbrus warnainnya lebih rapi lagi. Itu kan masih ada putih-putih.
Iya, cuma mudinya.
Ya, mudi ya. Ya, aku ngerti. Ya nggak apa-apa. Kalau emang udah nggak, memang udah 2 jam sih udah capek. Nggak apa-apa, udah suruh istirahat atau dia suruh gambar lagi aja pakai kertas baru nggak apa-apa.
R T H. Yes. Yes. Then you can write down something for the L too. What do you want to say again? What else do you want to say? Just that one. That's fine. What for? Oh. For the apple one. Oh, for the apple one. All right.
Mami, Ruth itu tinggalnya di mana sih? Di Australia?
Kenapa, Mr. Al?
Ruth tinggalnya di Indonesia atau di negara lain?
Indonesia kita, Mr. Al.
Oh, aku pikir.
Malang.
Oh, ya ampun, jauh banget. Aku pernah ke Batu Malang dulu. Ke apa namanya?
Ya.
Ke yang itu tuh apa yang objek
museum itu ya?
Iya, objek wisata itu ya, penuh apa lebar banget, itu berapa hektar di sana.
Ya.
Terus ada kayak
batu-batu.
Ya.
Oh.
Ruth udah pernah ke Batu Malang belum? Belum ya. Di sana enak, dingin di Malang.
Pernah.
Siapa yang pernah ke Batu Malang? Niko. Wah. Keren banget. Niko lihat apa di sana? Batu Malang itu ada dinosaurus. Beneran. Maksudnya bukan dinosaurus beneran. Dinosaurus patung.
Oh, itu cuma patung. Tapi bisa gerak nggak?
Bisa gerak. Tori pernah ke Batu Malang? Pernah ke Malang, Tori? Wow, Tori lihat apa di sana? Aku di Batu Malang naik satu wahana, terus aku pegang tembak-tembakan, terus aku tembakin dinosaurus. Jadi dia masuk ke dalam sarang dinosaurus gitu. Terus kita tembak-tembakin dinosaurusnya, cus gitu. Keren banget. Wow, Elbrus keren banget gambarnya. Bagus banget Elbrus. Elbrus gambar apa itu? Matahari. Terus ada burung. Ada apa lagi? Apa itu batu apa bunga? Oh, terus apa lagi Elbrus? Ya, orang terus. Kupu-kupu. Ada awan ya? Awan. Ada orang ya? Orang lagi ngapain itu Elbrus? Ada hujan di situ. Wah, pintar banget. Bye, Elbrus. Ya, you're welcome. Elbrus masih kecil tapi dia hebat, bisa duduk diem di meja terus gambar sampai selesai. Keren banget. Biasanya kalau anak laki-laki mau ngacir kemana-mana, lari ke sini, lari ke sana, gitu ya. Tapi kalau Elbrus, iya, Elbrus bisa drawing. Good job. Oke, teman-teman, sekarang waktunya untuk presentasi. Siapa yang mau coba duluan? Who wants to be the first? Belum selesai, ya udah. Oke, kita akan satu session lagi ya. Jadi Mr. Al bakal tungguin, nggak apa-apa sampai selesai. Jangan buru-buru. Kita akan lihat sampai selesai. Misalnya juga mau selesai ini dulu ya, teman-teman. Aku mau selesaiin gambarku dulu. Aku mau warnain pakai warna lain.
Yes, don't worry.
Bisa? Mana? Yuk, gambar bawahnya. Wah, bagus banget ini. Ada gradasi warna hijau. Keren. Aku mau warna apa ya? Ya. Iya, rambutnya blondie ya, orang Amerika. Wah, Elbrus sudah keluar, dia udah main.
Elbrus sudah bosan.
Sudah bosan ya. Di sana lagi musim apa, Mami? Semi ya. Panas atau gimana suhunya?
Mulai panas tapi hujan.
Oh, hujan ya. Sana masih lockdown nggak?
Udah enggak sih, udah new normal, cuma kasusnya udah turun.
Kasusnya udah turun ya, tapi tetap pakai masker ya. Di sana jam berapa, Bu? Sekarang?
Jam 10.
Wah, jam 10 pagi ya? Oh, berarti di sana lebih lambat daripada di sini. Di sini udah hampir udah jam 3 lewat. Oke, Elbrus, selamat beristirahat. Elbrus boleh live chat kalau.
Paling Elbrus udah nggak ikut ya.
Ya, makasih, Mami.
Terima kasih, Mr. Al.
Sama-sama. Sampai ketemu lagi. Hari Selasa kita ada storytelling.
Aku boleh
Dari apa?
Hari Selasa mau ada storytelling, jadi ada orang bacain cerita terus pakai boneka tangan gitu.
atau boneka biasa.
Glenn juga udah. Glenn, can you please present your work first before you leave? Wait ya, Glenn. I'm going to pin your.
Gantian, hah? Storytelling-nya.
Iya.
Semua orang dapat.
Ayo, Glenn, you can start now.
a yard. Then I drew a person that's holding a racket. So that those plastics away from shaping. And I drew that just touch the earth. And I colored it with pink color. And I put it down here that says save earth and save earth. That's my dog.
Are you happy with the result, Glenn? Do you think that your drawing already good? Not bad. Okay. Do you think that you are success? I mean, you achieve your success criteria. Why you don't say, why some of them are not success? I mean, why are not meeting your criteria? Oh, that's because of too much color. Okay, then Glenn, thank you. You can leave the video now. You can relax and see you on Wednesday. Bye, Glenn. Bye, Albrus. Now we have Aleta. Sudah selesai belum? Are you done?
My imaginary bird.
Wow, Aleta. Oh my God.
Huh?
Wait, Aleta. We're going to see your drawing first. Okay, ready? You can present now. Ready? 1, 2, go.
I made a person here and a lot of animals and made trees and a banana peel and a ocean right here. Have you seen Jacob before? Just a man.
Are you happy with your drawing? Are you with your painting? Why you say that you're happy with that? Why are you happy with the painting?
My paint is so shiny.
Oh, cool. Do you think that your drawing are very good? Okay, I agree with you. Your drawing are very good, Aleta. Thank you so much. I give you 2 thumbs up. And Devanka, do you have any question for Aleta?
Okay. No.
No.
No, I don't.
Okay then, Aleta, thank you so much. You can take a rest now. You can leave the video and see you on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday we're going to have additional meeting. We're going to listen up to the storyteller later on. Bye bye, Aleta. See you. Thank you so much. You can leave the video now. So you can leave the call now. And the rest will be who? Yeah. Who wants to be the next one? Okay, Rachel. Wow, good job. Go, Rachel. 1, 2, go.
First, this is my drawing. I draw a bird, a butterfly, a cloud, a bird, a people,
Okay.
a flower,
Okay.
a backpack, and a shirt, and skirt. Alright.
Okay, are you happy with that?
Yes.
Why are you happy with your drawing?
Because it's so pretty.
It's so pretty. Thank you so much, Rachel. Next will be who? Who wants to be the next one? Nico or Ares? Oke, Ares dulu deh ya. Sebentar ya, Nico. Ya kalau sudah selesai kan bisa main bola nanti.
Main bola.
Ya. Ya, Ares silakan. Sini deketan biar adik-adiknya bisa lihat gambar Ares, bisa terinspirasi. Oke, bisa. Ya, nggak apa-apa.
Okay, this is my draw. This is my drawing.
Ya.
First, I draw earth, small earth here, The order.
Okay, thank you so much. Please finish it later ya, Ares. Because I'm going to send your drawing to join the competition later on. Finish it ya, selesain ya gambarnya ya. Thank you Kakak Ares. Siapa lagi after this one? Maybe Kakak Niko ya. Oke, Niko. Kakak Ares jangan leave call dulu karena Kakak Vio belum selesai. Oke, Niko, you can start now. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Itu mute masih itu.
Yeah, we cannot hear you, Nico. Can you please open your microphone?
Nothing.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, mute lagi. Ya.
Okay, go.
This is my
Listen up.
First, I draw one person
Okay.
and the earth, and I draw a flower and
Okay.
another flower, and I draw a snakes and a butterfly, and I color it with a spidol and a crayon.
Okay. Are you happy with that, Nico?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. As long as you're happy, everything will be just fine. Thank you so much, Nico. You can leave the call now. Thank you and see you on Tuesday, Haris. And the last one, next will be who? Who wants to be the next one? Tori mau sekarang? Okay, Tori first, please. Come on, go, Tori. Keren kakak Tori.
This is my draw.
Okay.
First, I draw the people, and then I draw the earth, and then I draw the sun, I draw the clouds,
Wow.
and another box. And then I draw the flower, and then I draw some bird, and then an alligator here, and then a butterfly, and then a grass.
Are you happy with your drawing, Tori?
Yes,
Why are you happy with that?
because it's beautiful.
Because it is beautiful. Okay, thank you. I agree with you. Your drawing looks so beautiful. I give you 2 thumbs up. Thank you so much, Tori, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Next will be Ruth. You want to be the next one? Okay. Listen up, Ruth. We're going to present her work. Ready? 1, 2, go. Go, Ruth.
My hand is wet.
Mhm.
Flowers,
Okay.
person, a pleasure, and a sister. And I thought, now that it's nighttime,
Okay.
I thought something that was really happy.
Okay.
We put the earth and the grass.
The grass. Yeah. What is the slogan? Sounds. What is the slogan sound? What is the word that you write? We love you. What? Oh, yeah. What is that?
We love you, Earth.
All right. Thank you so much, then, Ruth. Are you happy with your drawing?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm also happy with your drawing. And you know what? The way you draw the people are very cool. With the very
Yeah.
long. Yeah. It's like very cartoon. Yeah.
Yeah, I also wanted to draw that and a free drawing.
Yeah. See that?
Same like my imagination.
Kakak Devanka get inspired by you, Ruth. Kakak Devanka said she wants to draw like you, like the one.
It's like my imagination. Same.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ruth. See you again next time. I give you 2 thumbs up. Yeah, bye-bye. Next will be Kakak. Okay, Abia, come on. Ready? 1, 2, go. Kakak Aris, Kakak Vio udah siap?
I'm done. I'm done.
Oke, after Abia sebentar ya. Abia dulu ya. Ready? 1, 2, go. Abia silakan. Ini gambar Bia, terus yang keras suaranya Bia, nggak kedengeran temen.
Pertama dia gambar mukanya, habis itu gambar topinya. Jangan cepet.
Yang keras suaranya Bia, nggak kedengeran.
Tangannya,
Mm-mm.
habis itu kulitnya sama kakinya,
Iya,
badannya,
dan
roknya, sepatu,
sini, bisa kasih tahu. Tuh gambarnya keren banget kakak Bia.
dan gambar
Apalagi?
gambar bajunya.
Iya, terus
Kucing, bunga, jagung, sama ini biasa.
iya.
Itu burung.
Oke deh, sudah selesai ya. Terima kasih nih kakak-kakak. Nih gambarnya Dede Abia keren banget. Bumi kita hanya satu. Ya. Oke, thank you. Lanjutkan. The last but not the least, kita punya kakak siapa dulu nih?
Bolong-bolong.
Tadi siapa sih yang belum? Oh, kakak Devanka ya.
Bolong-bolong.
Oh iya, kakak Pio sabar ya. Abis kakak Devan, abis Dede Devanka sebentar ya. Oke.
Itu gambarnya Devanka, Ruth.
Silakan kakak Devanka. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, this is my drawing tutorial.
Ya, ntar dulu ya, tutorialnya nggak bisa mati. Gimana caranya nih? Oke. Ya udah langsung aja nggak apa-apa.
Okay. Hi, this is my drawing.
And then,
First, I draw the person, and then I draw the person with the bag and the shoes with the what is that? A skirt. Then I draw the birds and the cat. Then I draw the flowers, and then this one, the earth, and the sun, and then I draw the background.
alright, that's it.
Yeah.
Are you happy with this one? With the
Yeah.
result? Alright, that's it so far, everybody. This is Kakak Devanka drawing. I mean, not Kakak, because he's still young. Alright, thank you so much. I hope you can get inspired from her. Now, the last but not the least, we only have like how many minutes? Oh, 2 more minutes. Come on, Kakak Ares. This is your turn. I mean, Kakak Pio. Come on, Pio. Last 2 minutes.
Wait.
Ya, dengerin sebentar. Ya, silakan Kakak Pio. Ready, 1,
Hey,
2,
itu
go.
nanti.
Ready, 1, 2, go.
This is my drawing.
Listen up,
First,
very nice, right?
I draw the head and a person.
Mm-hmm.
Two person. One is holding a board, and two is holding earth.
Mm-hmm.
And then I draw earth and moon and the sun and a grass.
Ya. Oke, thank you Kakak Vio. Kakak Vio keren banget, posternya diselesain. Nanti fotonya kirim ke Mr. Al ya. Mr. Al mau bantuin kirimin ke panitia lombanya nanti. Oke, buat teman-teman semuanya, thank you so much. Buat adik kita Ruth. Bye everyone, it's time for us to play outside. Play outside. It's time to play outside. Bye-bye everybody. We're going to ride the bicycle and we're going to have a sunbathing this evening. Bye-bye, Ruth. Thank you so much, Ruth. Bye. See you again. Bye-bye, Abia. Bye-bye, Kaka Elbrus. Bye-bye, Kaka Ares and Pio. See you again on Tuesday.
Bye.
Bye, Ruth. Bye, Ruth. Bye-bye. See you again next time.
Bye.
Oh my God, finally.
Final.
Oh, we still have the YouTube. Yeah. Hi. Bye, everybody.
Hi. Bye. Bye. See you next week.
See you next week. It's
next
time for
time.
us to.
Because
What?
Friday again.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See you again next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye-bye.